Sweet little treat for you here today, showing you how to find the pump in TradingView with a stock screener to catch that bullish move and ride the profit upwards. We're in our chart panel at the bottom left. We're going to click on screener here. We're going to pull up this tab here, make this a little bit bigger. What we want to do is start putting some filters on to give us the information we need to go find that pre-pump movement. Click here in the filters on the right-hand side. We want to go just stock right here. Check, check, boom, boom. We want our average volume to be over 1 million shares traded to make sure that we have enough volume to do trading and options as well. Then we need to search for the NDI, the negative directional indicator right here. And this is key. This is the biggest thing right here. This will get you to the pump faster than anything else. It'll identify the trends before they break out. The negative directional indicator and the positive directional indicator are both used in establishing trends and changing trends of direction. We want this to be crossing down, and we want the value here to be crossing down, the negative crossing down below the positive. We click this on, click this little X right here. Now we've got our filters. We have everything set up we need to do. We're going to go just change this by technical rating and filter it. And now we've got a list of companies. If you click in here, you're going to see some crazy setups for potential pumps. Airbnb, strong candle. Accenture, strong candle. SMCI, strong candle, right? We're getting ready to go look and find the pumps. Boom, boom. Keep going down the list right there. And then if you want to take these one step further, top right, create a new list. You want the pump. We're going to click in here at the bottom, Control A for all, right click, add selected to watch list. We've got our pump watch list. We can look at these all day, make some trades, get in, get out, go through them, and hopefully capture some profits as we ride the pump up. Quick hitter for you today. Check out some other content on the channel. Subscribe if you got some value. I'll catch you guys on the next one.